beautiful flower of Mount Carmel, fruitful vine, splendor of heaven, blessed mother of the Son of God, immaculate virgin, assist me in this my necessity. O star of the sea, help me and show me herein that you are my mother. O Holy Mary, Mother of God, Queen of heaven and earth, I humbly beseech you from the bottom of my heart to succor me in this my necessity. There are none that can withstand your power. O show me herein that you are my mother. O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us that have recourse to thee. O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us that have recourse to thee. O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us that have recourse to thee. Sweet Mother, I place this cause in your hands. Sweet Mother, I place this cause in your hands. Sweet Mother, I place this cause in your hands.